Let's talk about investment here. Let me tell you something. You cannot add a day to your life. You cannot add any day to your life, but you can add life to your day. So it's almost vice versa, but it is not. You cannot add a day to your life. Days will go by. Yesterday has gone. It's a past tense. Today is a present tense. What are you doing? The future is sure, but it is when you invest in today that the future is sure. That is why one of the most greatest things you ever do to yourself is investing. Investment has nothing to do with money alone. Of course, one major part of investment is investing your money to multiply. But you can invest your time in a thing that you know at the end of the day it multiply. You can invest your time today that in the next 2-3 years, you know that particular skill you learn today will be multiplied through the acquisition of money or dividends and all that. So you should know that investment is one of the things that you have to do. You need to know how to invest your time. Especially you need to know how to invest your money. Majority of African people don't invest their money. That is why today across the continent of Europe, American, South American, the Oceania, and all those continents, Africa is the most poorest. We have about almost 20 countries in Africa that are very poor, including the country that I am, Nigeria. We are poor in this country because we will not invest. You know, the first time I invested in Facebook was wow. It's about $8 I invested. But I did my research before I was able to do that. And money is not $8 again. And it's a long-time investment, it's about 20 years investment. It's not about now. So one thing I will be talking about on the channel is investing. I work with my uncle, and my uncle is an investor. What he does is investing. Invest here, invest there. So he has 3 teams of individuals who do research for him so he can invest. So what they do is that they research, they check the legitimacy of the company you want to invest in, the durability, their integrity, their core value, what they stand for, what kind of business they've been doing for a long time. These are what you need to learn to invest. Real estate is not only it's only the rich people that can actually invest in real estate that can make the money. A lot of you guys have invested in real estate and you lost your money. You bought land somewhere, and at the end of the day, you are not able to pay for the land. You lost the money. I've experienced this thing too, brother. So there's a lot of platforms today, and you know, you have a phone there. I believe you have a phone. You are watching this because you have a phone, or you are watching on TV, or you are watching on your laptop or desktop. You can do your research. You scroll on Facebook, you scroll like this. You scroll on Facebook, you scroll on Instagram, you scroll on TikTok. All those things you consume are not beneficial to you. Go and learn how to invest. Invest on all the big platforms. They have a lot of investment opportunity for you. So guys, we'll be talking about investment on this platform, and you love it. Simple investment. I've been in tech for a while now, and I love it. That's been my side hustle. But I've seen more opportunity. I've seen more ideas that work online than offline, and I'm able to meet a lot of people who I will never meet offline. So we are moving now from traditional wherever to the online, to the digital era, and you need to know that, and you need to buy that also. So guys, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so next time we'll post this kind of a thing, you'll be seeing it.